Okay everyone, just did the delete on my 2014 F250 6.7 Powerstroke. This is the first startup. Here we go. Smells like a diesel again. Alright, 2014 EGR delete and TPF delete. Successful. Ran out of time today, so I just did a temporary delete. You can see the pyrometer on the block off plate. Next time I have some time, I'm going to rip out the EGR and I'm actually going to delete it altogether. But this is just so I can get it on the road for Thanksgiving. So got it out of limp mode and was able to successfully get this truck to take the tune. I had a buddy of mine, Aaron, help me out with the H&S tuner. We had to basically delete everything on the tuner and reprogram the tuner so we could delete my fault code. Well, it's not even a code, it's just a fault on the message window. So now that I've got this out of limp mode, I'm gonna go get my oil changed and see how this thing does. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you.